I water the flowers in the garden every morning. She enjoys watching movies in her free time. He listens to music while working out at the gym. We go for a hike in the mountains on weekends. They practice their dance routine for the performance. The sun shines brightly on a clear day. The birds build nests in the trees. The baby giggles and plays with toys. The teacher provides guidance to the students. My sister plays the guitar with passion and skill. I read a book before going to sleep. She practices her piano skills every day. He listens to podcasts while cooking. We go for a walk in the park after dinner. They study together at the library. The sun sets in the evening. The birds build nests in the trees. The baby laughs and claps his hands. The teacher gives lectures to the students. My sister sings in the school choir. I prepare breakfast for the family. She writes in her journal to reflect on her day. He plays basketball with his friends on weekends. We visit our relatives during the holidays. They enjoy playing video games together. The river flows gently through the countryside. The waves crash against the shore. The plane takes off from the runway. My parents support my dreams and aspirations. The cat sleeps on the windowsill.